Hi! Hi! Hi, it's Nitu and I'm here with a review. And I'm reviewing a product by The Face Shop. It's called the Mango Seed Eye Cream. And so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Pump it out. And it's a thick cream. And it's a thick cream like that. And yet it spreads out very easily and very smoothly and vanishes. Yet I feel that it does leave a barrier so that the moisture doesn't evaporate from your face while you're sleeping. I mainly actually use this at night. I tend to get dry, especially very, very dry around the eye area. So this has been really, really good. Probably it's really one of the most moisturizing eye creams that I've found. Really more moisturizing than the Kiehl's avocado eye cream thing that they have. That's what it was, the avocado eye cream. Maybe that was the name, but I don't remember exactly. But this is so much better than that. It's just very, very hydrating. It says on the box that it is a fair trade item. It contains ingredients obtained through fair trade. It is very moisturizing and it has gone through moisturization and radiance testing. It was on an episode of Get It Beauty. Maybe that's what they're talking about. I'm not sure what they're talking about. It's for puffiness, itchiness, poor absorption of makeup, poor elasticity, and redness. So it treats those things. It is formulated without 7 additives. I'm not sure what they're talking about, but I'm gonna list the 7 additives that it doesn't have here. It also says a silky moisturizing eye cream preventing signs of aging with perfect adherence. And it says it's a highly enriched, thick formula with perfect adherence, comfortably covers the skin around the eyes and imparts smoothness and moisturization as if covered in silk for a moisturized skin around the eyes, free from signs of aging. Okay, apparently it is supposed to have lifting effects, but I haven't really noticed that. The thing that I noticed is it does feel very silky. It does make the eye area very soft. It does protect the eye area. It does moisturize and hydrate very, very well. And so that's why I like it. It is a thick formula. It is for people with very dry skin. Probably the last thing that I could tell you about it is that it smells really nice. It has a light mango scent. It just smells beautiful. It's not overpowering for me, but I have a very poor sense of smell, so I don't know. But I just really, really like it. Because it's just so moisturizing, and I haven't found anything more moisturizing yet. So I really like it, and it doesn't cost as much as high-end brands that promise a lot as well, but don't really, in the end, don't really deliver. I'm not gonna name names. I haven't noticed any anti-aging effects, but I don't know if it's something that that is easily noticeable anyway, because how are you gonna notice that? It's not gonna reverse. I don't think there's anything that really reverses aging, but hopefully it's preventing me from aging even more, or preventing the losing of the elasticity in my eyes. Hopefully it's doing something, but I don't really know. I've never noticed any anti-aging effects from actually anything that I've tried, really. So that's it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please click like and subscribe. Bye!